Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. Around Christmas time, in between Halloween and Christmas time, I opened a Nightmare Before Christmas jumbo mystery capsule and it was very, very bad. I have been scouring the net, for want of a better term, to find something better Nightmare Before Christmas to open. Now, I will try and insert a picture around about now. First, I found on eBay from America a jumbo mystery bag. And I was really, really tempted by it. And I nearly bought it. I was shopping around trying to find the best price, as you do. And then I found a picture showing you what was inside it. I'm glad I saw that picture, because it was the exact same pile of poop that was in the jumbo capsules here in the UK. So I scrapped that, didn't look any further, there's no point. I don't need another bag of rubbish. Then I found these. These looked promising. These are from Just Play USA. Boca Raton? T-Rex Avenue? I don't know where... Oh, Florida! FL, I know that. That's Florida. Now, it did give you a little peek. Well, they are Disney, but they're not from the Disney store. I mean, Disney owns this now, so everything's going to have a risk, isn't it? But it did show you what is potentially inside these. And they looked okay. They looked like they were worth a gamble. So I managed to find a deal for 7 of them from an eBay seller in America. So fingers crossed, they're at least half decent and at least as good as the pictures showed. So let's open and see and hope I mean, it's a rather nice little box they come in. So, moment of truth. Alright, everyone's going to think I've got something against Sally, but she seems to plague me. Well, there's nothing in there showing you what you can get. Made for Florida. Disney's Tim Burton's. Well, Disney Tim Burton's by Nightmare Before Christmas. Hand wash, air dry, polyester, made in China. But pretty much everything is. Well, she's interesting. I'll give her that. It's... oh, we can give her a new hairdo. That's an interesting look. It's not bad. It's not exceptional quality. A little bit of mis-sewing going on here. But it's not bad. A little bit of mis-cutting going on here. I mean, it's got a nice little embroidered face. It feels nice. Different material for the hair. Sort of corduroy. I guess we're gonna see, based on what comes next, whether this is good or not. So we'll pop her up there. Hey, Jack. Oh, and it's meant to be his penguin tail. It looks like he's got a cape, but it's meant to be his penguin tails. I see we've gone for like printed on the arms. Shiny feet. We have a Happy Jack. I like the little, even though it's a bit not the most fantastic quality, it is quite a nice little bow tie he's got there. It's his classic bat there, and you can see when I spread it out, it's got two little bat ears. So there's Jack. Well, we have Jack, we have Sally. Who else do we have? Now, I can't remember off the top of my head who is featured. I remember Jack and Sally. I remember Zero, Oogie Boogie. I think maybe Santa, you know, Father Christmas. Can't remember all the others. Oogie Boogie! Oh, he's pretty cool. And at least they didn't just give him a round head, they've given him his little pinched off peak up there. Oogie Boogie's not bad, I quite like him. And that is a cracking green he is. Nice bit of stitch work here and there. That's not bad. Well, so far we don't have any dupes. I can't remember how many there are in a complete set either. I'll have to check and pop it in the descriptions, or if I remember to check before the end of the video, mention it. We have Jack, Santa Jack, with a little hat, a little tatty beard, and a simple little Santa outfit. Again, he's very happy. Caught him on some good days here. I mean, they're not bad quality. They're interesting enough little guys. Oh, and they do. Well, he does anyway. Do they all? Yeah, probably with a bit of encouragement, they'll all sort of stand up. Well, he's not bad. Again, putting together is a little bit shabby, unfortunately. We seem to get this a lot with things. Got some loose threads up. Well, not loose, but they've been tied off but not clipped. But at least he's clean. This one doesn't want to... Oh, there we go. Oh, we have a dupe. We have two Oogie Boogies. You know what? If I'm going to get a dupe, I won't mind Oogie Boogie. I really, really, really want Zero. I know now I'm not getting a complete set. Oh, Sally. Come on, B. This is my last chance. Be a Zero. Please, please, please be a Zero. Yes, a Zero. Well, I'm happy for that. Actually, that's not too bad. That's pretty cool. I'll take that. They've tried to make him as ghostly as possible with his little bit down here. I think that's meant to be rolled up. I'll take that. I'm a sucker for Zero. Any dog, really. Well, I'm happy because I got Zero. Now, I'll try and remember off the top of my head, because I bought these at the beginning of last month and they were meant to arrive about 3 weeks ago. So I can't remember off the top of my head. I think they averaged out at about £7 a piece. I don't think... We might have to go make some space here. Try and get them all in. I don't think we're worth £7 each. I think probably, being realistic, 5 max, 3 would be perfect. But then they did come from America, so they're not something I can pick up in the UK, so I have to expect to pay a little bit more. Overall, I'm happier with this than I was the jumbo, the mystery jumbo capsule. There is another word I could call it, but I don't think YouTube would like me calling that. Poopsual. Another word for poopsual. I think I will keep some of these and I will pop the rest up on eBay. I'm keeping 0. There's no way I'd sell 0. I'm so happy that I got 0. Especially since he was the last one. I thought, oh, I'm probably going to get another Sally. Like I say, I don't not like Sally. She's just been shoved in our faces so much. I used to really, really like her when I was a kid. I liked all the characters and I still do. I just don't want to open Sally too much. And that is Disney's fault. They have really, really, really shoved her in your faces. So yeah, I'll have to decide what to keep and what not to keep. My favourite is clearly 0, closely followed by Oogie Boogie. And then the rest. And then the Jack, the Santa Jack, and then the Sally. What's your favourite out there? I know some of you are going to go for Oogie Boogie because I've had chats with you in like comment section and whatnot, and Oogie Boogie is the man for a lot of people. And he is one of my favourites as well, but when there's a dog involved, I'm always going to go for the little pup first. And he is quite cute. I like his ears. Little happy face. And the Oogie Boogie is pretty cool. They have done, to be fair, kept it simple, but kept it obvious and kept it nice and kept it cool. And he's the only one with eyebrows. Let me know what you all think. Let me know who's your favourite. And I will keep an eye out for more Nightmare Before Christmas things. It's a film I loved growing up. Still do. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope this gives you an idea of what to expect should you get some of these yourself. I have not seen them, as far as the UK goes, I've not seen them anywhere else apart from on eBay. So you just have to have a bit of a pot shot and shop around. Some of the sellers in America do some pretty good deals on these. And if you're in America, you'd have already been here because these were released in 2024, I believe it said somewhere. Oh, like. Like if you like what you see. Comment if you got something to say. And subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more. Thank you all again so much. Take care and see you in the next one.